All right, 2014 hood struts for Infiniti QX60. Coming in should be straight. Coming in should be straightforward.
We're golden. Oh, I have it backwards.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
Well, luckily we didn't take out the other.
Wait a minute.
So he's just gonna put the little screwdriver in one side, and as he pries it out, he's just gonna hit it out. Same with the bottom. In and out should be like in minutes or seconds.
So I never changed one of these things.
All right, let's see. Will one hold? One does hold.
Probably.
So this model is made in Mexico, 5B875974. It's from O'Reilly's. I don't think it's lifetime warranty. So to just do the bottom. So to take it out, you just put a flathead screwdriver in there, pull out just a little bit, and then take your hand and pop it out. And then going in, you don't have to do anything. But I would still leave a stick here just in case. It's always best to have another person before this thing falls on you. All right. We'll see how he... And then on this car, since it's original, the shiny part's on the bottom. You don't have to... I'm just going to throw in metal and throw it away. It's going to be metal recycle. And the original part number is from Nissan. It says right. Content under pressure up. 3699770250N26213B. There is a left and right.
That easy. Top one. No.
Oh, okay. So he's gonna go all the way up to the top. So is there a left on this thing part number?
No. Why? Right direction.
This one says right on it with the R. Right there. See the R? It says up. It has left.
Yeah.
The aftermarket world just has the same one for both sides.
Well, why though? Application like this. It's identical.
Let's see. Is it a different part number too? What's the part number end with? All right, 025N is the right. 250N is also
71.
63rd. Oh, the numbers in the beginning are already different. Oh yeah, there's a 65471 and the bottom is 64570.
Well, with the logic in this, one side's heavier than looks like one side. The hood any heavier than the other side.
I don't know why Nissan had two different part numbers.
I don't know, man.
Quality control for whatever they want to do inventory. You know, I don't really know.
I don't know. But they're identical. So it's part number. Let's go the other way. Let's put a new one in.
Well, someone who doesn't know would be like, I need the left one. I need this part number to be exact.
Exactly. Well, you never know.
Well, yeah, we never know. We never know what the engineers are thinking. Z's not going to get this one wrong. All right, thanks, Z. Let me put this thing over here. All right. Good. Stabilizer bars done.